Morning children, welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given now. Square root of x plus y by x minus y plus square root of x minus y by x plus y is equal to 34 by 15. X plus y by square root of x minus y plus x minus y by square root of x plus y is equal to 152 by 15. Find x and y values. So like this logical, critical and Olympiad problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So this is a new channel. Your subscription is very important. So here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem? So very simple logic will be there. So you can get the answer very easily. So let us take root of x plus y by x minus y is equal to k. Then the first equation will become k plus 1 by k is equal to 34 by 15. Now we can take LCM here. K square plus 1 by k is equal to 34 by 15. Cross multiply. 15 into k square plus 1 is equal to 34k. So you can write a 15k square plus 15 is equal to 34k. So 15k square minus 34k plus 15 equal to 0. So here you can write the factors. 15k square minus 25k minus 9k plus 15 equal to 0. So here you can take 5k common, 3k minus 5 minus 3 common, 3k minus 5 equal to 0. So 3k minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5k minus 3 equal to 0. K is equal to or 3k is equal to 5 or 5k is equal to 3. K is equal to 5 by 3 or k is equal to 3 by 5. So this is the k value. Now here we took already k value root of x plus y by x minus y is equal to 5 by 3, or you'll get root of x plus y by x minus y is equal to 3 by 5. Now if you do squaring on both sides, x plus y by x minus y is equal to 25 by 9. Here squaring on both sides. Here also you are doing squaring on both sides. X plus y by x minus y is equal to 9 by 5. 9 by 25. So here you can solve this. If you take x plus y value is 25, x minus y value is 9, then 2x is equal to 34, x is equal to 17, y value 8. So here if you solve this, x plus y is equal to 9, x minus y is equal to 25. So here 2x is equal to 34, x is equal to 17, but y value will be minus 8. So 17 minus 8 will get 9. Therefore, x comma y solution 17 comma 8 or you can get 17 comma minus 8. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.